Hello, my name is John Fallon and today I'm going to discuss the services offered by Health Friendly Air. Health Friendly Air offers indoor air quality testing for large and small offices, schools, medical units, industrial units and in the food and drink processing industry. Indoor spaces often show evidence of poor indoor air quality. For example, poor cleaning, maintenance of HVAC units and air handling units can frequently cause levels of airborne contamination. The issue of carbon dioxide can cause a reduction in a person's ability to concentrate. Poor indoor air quality can lead to issues such as absenteeism, lower productivity and in some cases lead to ill health. This will vary depending on the size of the building and the number of sampling points that are required from building to building. There is no typical indoor air quality problem. As a result, there is no simple one-off sampling strategy that can be taken to address potential issues. The HFA approach is to take into account the number of rooms, personal experience of adverse clinical manifestations and the size of the areas that are to be surveyed. In that way you can start to localise the source of the problem. Again, this varies slightly, but the level of airborne bacteria and mould, dust mite allergen, TVOCs and as well as other gases, as well as particulate levels are generally tested. The maximum duration is 20 working days, but we always strive to get any reports out before that. All levels found are always compared to national and international legislative limits or best practice standards where applicable. The reports themselves are reviewed by a combination of an occupational hygienist, scientists and by the medical chairman of our company. And this allows us to give a very comprehensive report which gives our clients the best information on which to act if an indoor air quality problem is present. There's a substantial risk in the long term for employers not addressing indoor air quality issues. Employees do have a legislated right not to be exposed to hazards in the air that they breathe at work. So as a result, the best way to prevent against litigation in the future is to know what levels are there and what preventative measures need to be taken. We supply many different services to the occupational hygiene industry. These range from dust and gas monitoring to noise and light assessments. You can visit our website www.healthfriendlyair.com, www.airmidhealthgroup.com or submit a query at any time to info@healthfriendlyair.com. You can always call the office as well to speak in person.